Alright, let's get right into the BlackPicker XBTUSD Algo Indicator, a real game changer for your trading game. You can use this bad boy on any trading pair or time frame, but for now, we'll stick to the 5-minute time frame of gold on TradingView. To get started, hop on over to the indicator section and search for BlackPicker XBTUSD Algo Indicator. Once you find it, select it and bam! You're ready to dive into a whole new world of trading opportunities. This awesome indicator has got your back, and I'm gonna show you just how to make the most out of it. So sit back, relax, and let's get trading. The BlackPicker indicator is a blend of essential components that works together to create a solid confirmation for trading decisions. It combines ATR, which stands for average true range, which measures an asset's average momentum, volatility, which helps determine market stability based on price fluctuations, RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, which shows whether an asset is overbought or oversold, and the Donchian channel, which assists in identifying trends and potential breakouts. With this unique combination, the BlackPicker indicator offers a comprehensive view of market conditions. Listen up, I've got some tips to help you tweak those settings and get better results. You're gonna adjust some parameters in the settings window and make this thing work even better for you. First off, we're gonna head over to the input section and change the lookback length to 21. Just leave the other parameters at their default values. They're good to go. Next, let's hop on over to the style section. We're gonna uncheck the upper line option and the lower line option. But we're gonna leave the long and short options checked. These are important for what we're doing here. Now, let's keep going and uncheck the TP when long option and the TP when short option too. Boom, you're all done with the settings. Alright, let's talk about this amazing tool called the BlackPicker indicator. It's a game changer because it's automatically figure out the best price and time for you to jump into trades, whether you want to go short or long. You can see how it prints those short and long signals in these examples here. But hold up, we gotta be real. No indicator is perfect, and sometimes the BlackPicker might give you a bomb signal. That's why we need a confirmation indicator to help us without bad signals and make sure we're only taking the best trades. Now you're probably wondering which indicator works best with the BlackPicker indicator, right? Well, I've got the answer for you. But before we got into that, I've got to remind you that here at TradeGenius, we've got over 300 free and profitable trading strategies just waiting for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now it's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and unlock all that awesome content. Alright, back to the strategy. Let me tell you about the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. This bad boy is a combination of 10 different types of moving averages, and you can choose the one that works best for your trading style. It's like having 10 tools in one, giving you the power to adapt to any market conditions. With the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator and the BlackPicker working together, you'll have a killer combination that'll help you make smarter trades and boost your profits. Alright, before we dive into using the 10 and 1 different moving averages in our strategy, we need to tweak a few settings to get it just right. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. I'm here to walk you through it. First, let's go to the input section. Here, we're gonna set the first moving average or MA to exponential moving average or EMA with a period of 50. Set the time frame to normal and choose whatever color floats your best. Next up, you're gonna check the second MA and set it to EMA2 with a period of 100. Keep the time frame at normal and pick a color that works best for you. Now, let's check the third MA. And we're gonna set this one to EMA as well, with a period of 200. You can choose a different color for this one too, just to keep things organized. Last but not least, let's head over to the style section. Here you can change the colors and thickness of the moving average lines to make them easier to read and more pleasing to the eye. And that's all there is to it. We've got 3 moving averages to work with: the 50, 100 and 200. And here's how they help you figure out the direction and the strength of a trend in an uptrend. When the price is above the 50 period moving average, it tells us there's a bullish short-term trend. Think of it like a green light for buyers in a short run. Now, if the price is also above the 100 period MA, it confirms a bullish mid-term trend, giving us more confidence that uptrend is solid. It's like getting a thumbs up from the market. Finally, when the price is above the 200 period MA, it's a sign of the long-term bullish trend, showing us that the overall uptrend is strong and steady. In a downtrend, it's pretty much the opposites. When the price is below the 50 period, it signals a bearish short-term trend, telling us that sellers are in control in the short run. And if the price is also below the 100 period MA, it confirms a bearish mid-term trend, reinforcing the downtrend. Lastly, when the price is below the 200 period MA, it indicates a long-term bearish trend, giving us the full picture of a solid overall downtrend. So, you want to jump into a buy trade? First things first, let's make sure we've got a solid uptrend. Check if the price is above all the moving average lines. That's a good sign that bulls are in control. Now, once you're sure it's an uptrend, it's time to look for a buy signal. When everything lines up, that's your green light to enter the buy trade. Next, you've got to set your stop loss to protect your trade. Place it at the recent swing low, just in case things don't go as planned. Better safe than sorry, right? Finally, let's figure out take profit target. Aim for a reward that's 1.5 times the risk you're taking on the trade. That way your potential gains outweigh the risk, making it a smart trade. Now let's chat about sell trades. I'll keep it short and sweet. Essentially, it's the same process as buy trades but in reverse. When you're looking for a sell trade, first make sure that there's a downtrend by checking the price is below all the moving average lines. This tells us that the bears are in control. Once you confirm the downtrend, wait for a sell signal to pop up. When everything lines up, go ahead and enter the sell trade. Just like a buy trade, set your stop loss for protection. Place it at the recent swing high to cover your bases. Finally, calculate your take profit target. Stick to the same rule of aiming for a reward that's 1.5 times the risk on the trade. And if you found this video helpful, you'll love our next one. We'll be diving deeper into trading strategies that'll give you an edge in the market. It's a must watch for anyone serious about mastering the art of trading. Don't forget to check it out, and happy trading!